What is going on? My name is AlTone, and today I want to share with you the Neporal A19 emergency lights. So Neporal sent out this awesome set of emergency light bulbs for me to try out, and I wanted to share with you my experience with them and a couple of things that you might want to know about them if you're looking for emergency bulbs. So first of all, what you see here is a 4-pack of these Neporal A19 emergency bulbs. And so what you get in the box is your 4 emergency light bulbs, and you get these hooks. And these hooks are made so that they work with the bulb by itself. So it has an on-off switch on the back of the hook so you can turn the light on and off. And with these hooks, you can actually also test to make sure that they actually all work. So you just put it on like so, and then use the switch on the back, and you can test each one of your bulbs to make sure that they are actually working out of the box. And it also comes with an instruction pamphlet that has a binder clip on here, and we'll talk about what that binder clip is actually for a little bit later. The instruction pamphlet also has a QR code on it, so you can watch some additional videos that's going to help you know how to properly use these bulbs. So there's a couple of ways that you can use these bulbs, one of which is regular normal use like I am here. I have this lamp actually plugged in right now. I'm using this power source so that I can demonstrate a couple of features with you while we have it here, but currently I just have this light on normally, and also while it's plugged in and in use, it will actually charge so that you will have a full charge on the built-in battery when you need it. Now if you have a fixture that has multiple sockets for lights, you're going to want to use the same A19 bulb in all of the sockets on there. You don't want to mix this bulb with other lights because it will not function properly. Now they also work in case of a power outage, and we can demonstrate that real quick right here. So if I turn off my AC power, you notice that the light blinked. That's to let you know that the power is out, and the light recognized that the power is out, and now it's running off of its battery power. And I think that is fantastic. And of course, you can still use the light switch on the fixture to turn the light on and off, which I think is phenomenal. Now you can also use this light with a non-powered fixture. Let me show you how that works. So we're going to turn this light off and unplug it from the power source. So right now this light is not plugged in, and so it's not powering up. If you want to use it with a lamp that's not connected to power and you're not going to use your included hook, all you have to do is short your 2 leads on your lamp with a binder clip, and then your light will work as normal. Without that, it will not work. And the last way that you can use these awesome lights is with the included hook. Like I said before, in the hook it does have contacts and a button so that you can turn it on and off using that button. It creates the complete circuit that's necessary for this light to work. Just understand that this light at this point is running off the battery alone, and it's not being charged, so you're going to want to charge up the battery in the light every so often to make sure it is ready when you need it. And again, to charge this light up, you're going to have to put it into a lamp or light fixture plugged into power, so that while it's running, it's actually charging up the light. So a couple of the specifications of these awesome lights are that, of course, they have built-in LED lamps, so it doesn't use a ton of wattage. It has a standard outlet base on it so that you can use it in any of your standard light fixtures or lamps that you have in your home. It auto charges with regular use, and it takes about 6 to 10 hours to fully charge. Keep in mind that in order for this light to fully charge, your switch has to be in the on position, so the light has to be lit for it to charge. And then your battery life on these lights is about 3 to 5 hours. So if you use these lights properly, they are going to be ready for you and work great in the event that you do have a power outage. And I'm really looking forward to getting really good use out of these lights myself. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out, checking these guys out with me. I hope that I've provided some value for you today. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.